Kirindi unga yawe antuku ijiri munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua ndene ya kaunti ya Meru nethiritwe akiuria atongereria bethirwe bakiritira akenya ngugi iria bathurirwe arana ndethiritwe akiuga nyuma ya miaka 2 gutima wira neja mweja rathethiritwe jakiingwa na kuwa siasa ni babatere gutiga siasa cia rumena na guita ngugi Muthuri Muriuki na gutwambiriria cio
Irinti kwa ijiri ila munini wa mtongiri wa mgongo Rigathi Gachagua akinyite ndene kaunti ya Meru aramuthajo na arua akinyite kanchene Kiloru Methodist kendomba kurombaniri nabo munini wa mtongiri wa mgongo akewa kanyaga kwaria naonekanira atina wingi bamigambo bwa mbere agikatha kithikieria ke Meru ndiri kireu kitene kitongete ndene Kenya na ithibingi ibiburi kuja kuthoma ndene kaunti ya Meru mantujageria
for being very hardworking. The Meru Dairy Cooperative Society is the best run society in Kenya na inatoa maziwa mingi sana na kusaidia wakulima. Wanalipa wakulima before the 5th of every month, and I didn't want to invite other societies to emulate watu hapa Meru.
Mojairi agwe mutongiri mugongo amwanthigirwe Kenya ithuragi kwa marombene muno na nandi atongeria bakethobe na wingi ba uchethera bangi karata
sana kwa maombi. Please continue praying for our country. Let us pray for our president, let us pray for the government, let us pray for our leaders. It is my hope that sanity will prevail. We tone down on politics of division, siasa ya kumalizana, siasa ya furugu. Tufanyie watu ya Kenya kazi, kwa sababu tulichaguliwa miaka 2 peke yake na hatujafanya ile kazi ambayo wananchi wanatarajia tufanye. Tungetaka tuombe tupunguze maneno mingi, zote tushikane, tufanyie wa Kenya kazi, kwa sababu hawa Kenya walituchagua wakiwa na matumaini makubwa sana, na hawakutuchagua tupigane, turumbane, tupanganie, tukue na maneno ambayo haifai. That is my prayer.
Amna bubu akionekana akiarire manzureja gwitana mbere njawe kwebabiro gitine ago gintu kire kibiri kuthithika ni atongirie bonde bethe bakia gitio muno uge bwantu mono ke manzure githurano.
And as we do whatever we are doing in the political space, it is my prayer that we should always respect the will of the people. The will of the people is supreme. Elections were done. President and I were elected on the joint ticket for 5 years, and that is the will of the people. Let us not fall into the temptation of overturning the will of the people through other methods, because people will not be happy when you overturn the will of the people. Let us all agree that the tenets of democracy says that you respect the will of the people because it's sovereign. Si kwa namna hiyo watu waheshimiwe. Ile wananchi wameamua, tuwapatie nafasi, kwa sababu wao ndio wenye kuamua, na tusikeuke ile wananchi wenyewe wameamua.
Muthuri Muriuki, Oru TV, Mutirejo Kangangi.